Once again, I've got one of the latest rugged phones to show you. This time it's the Oukitel WP210 and it's 5G. Oukitel just launched this model and it's built to deliver serious specs in a slimmer, more pocket-friendly rugged design. You're getting a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, a 108 megapixel Samsung main camera, an 8800 mAh battery with fast charging, and the Dimensity 8200 chipset, which has more than enough power for heavy gaming. On top of that, it's water, dust, and drop resistant, so it's ready for tough use. Now let's open the box and see what we actually get when we purchase the WP210. After unboxing, the first thing you find is the phone itself. I'll set that aside for a moment to see what else is in the box. First up is the documentation pack, which includes the quick start guide and warranty card. And there's no need for a SIM ejector tool as the tray can be opened by hand. Underneath, you get the 45-watt charger and a rugged USB-C cable that looks to be about 2 meters long. Now let's get into the details of the phone. The case is already attached and its quality is solid and transparent, so you can see the real texture of the phone's body right away. From the moment you pick this phone up, this phone stands out with its modern industrial design. The real texture on the back doesn't feel like plastic, even though it is, and the matte finish makes it surprisingly comfortable to grip and use every day. It feels substantial and solid in hand, proving that a durable phone can also look and feel great. This Oukitel WP210 feels real and bold. This phone weighs about 311 grams and is 13.7 millimeters thick, which is slimmer than most rugged phones. The frame is an aluminum alloy with reinforced edges, making it tough but not overly bulky. On the left side, there is a customizable shortcut key, which is super handy for quick actions. On the right are the volume keys and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The SIM tray is flexible, letting you use either 2 nano SIMs or one SIM with a microSD card for an extra 1 terabyte of storage. There's the USB-C port, a microphone, and one loudspeaker. It's a cleaner design than many rugged phones, and it feels easier to carry every day. The Oukitel WP210 has a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with FHD plus resolution. It runs at 120 Hz, which makes scrolling and gaming really smooth. Brightness goes up to 500 nits, which is fine for most outdoor use. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and the bezels are raised a bit to help with drop protection. This beautiful Oukitel WP210 is built with a substantial 8800 mAh battery, which supports 45-watt fast charging. It also has 10-watt reverse charging, which means you can use it as a power bank for other devices. Inside, this phone is powered by a real workhorse, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, scoring nearly 875,000 on AnTuTu. It's nice to see a chip this powerful in a rugged phone, as it delivers exceptional performance. When it comes to memory and storage, this device is very well equipped. It includes 12 GB of physical RAM, which can be expanded with up to 36 GB of virtual RAM. For storage, you get a substantial 500 GB, 12 GB built in, with a micro SD card slot for expansion up to 1 TB. The combination of these features ensures a smooth user experience with plenty of room for all your files. For connectivity, you've got everything you need, starting with 5G dual SIM support for fast speeds. It also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for mobile payments. The phone runs Android 14 out of the box, offering a clean interface and full support for the latest apps. The Oukitel WP210 is incredibly durable. It's IP68 and IP69K certified for dust and water immersion and meets military standard. This phone is built for anyone who needs a device that can take a beating, from hikers to construction workers. One of the highlight features of this rugged phone is the camera system, On the back, the camera module looks striking and is quite large. The main sensor is a 108 megapixel Samsung camera that, with a large 1/1.8-inch sensor, captures more light to deliver crisp, excellent 4K video. For a rugged phone, the cameras are surprisingly sharp with good color and detail. Alongside the main lens, you get a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 0.3 megapixel depth sensor for close-ups and portraits. The front camera is also solid at 32 megapixels and shoots 1080p video. I will show you the video and photo samples now. I'm recording this video from the front camera of Oukitel WP210. This is a result you get from the front camera. This is 1080p. It does not support 4K from the front camera video. And I'm walking very slowly so you can see the stabilization. I show you the running result. It's shaking, but not that too much. The result looks pretty nice. The background, it gets blurry. You can see it focus on me, the object. I have discovered you can zoom in while video recording. This is 2x and this is 1x. Not bad. Alright, now I'm recording a video from the back camera, which is 108 megapixel. This is 4K video recording result. It does not show the FPS, but this is 4K quality result. I'm walking slowly, you can see. Not bad. This is 1x and you can do 2x, and after that you have to zoom in till 10x. Wow, the speed is very fast. Let's see one more time the zooming result. Let me show you. Wait a second. I'm walking slowly so you can see the stabilization. Now try one more time. This is 1x. This is 2x, and it can zoom in all the way to 10x. Let's see the running result.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
If you want a rugged phone that doesn't feel like a brick, the Oukitel WP210 5G is worth checking out. It's tough, slim and powerful with a bright AMOLED screen, good cameras and plenty of performance. Whether you're outdoors, traveling or just want a phone that won't quit on you, the WP210 is a solid balance of durability and everyday usability. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, consider to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.